Welcome to our technical guide on transformer bushings. In this video, we will walk you through the procedure for connecting screw-fixed electrodes to high-voltage RIP bushing. Before we proceed, let us identify the different components of the bushing with their nomenclatures. For handling screw-fixed electrodes, we recommend keeping a cleaning cloth, a cleaning agent such as isopropyl alcohol, a wax-based pencil, and a 4mm Allen key readily available. Please note that screw-fixed electrode comes attached with bushing, covered and protected in PVC cap. Please remove the PVC cap before handling the electrode. Prior to handling, ensure the electrode is clean and free from any damage or corrosion. Clean all contact surfaces using a lint-free cloth and isopropyl alcohol. Exercise caution during handling to prevent damage to the outer coating, as this may result in flashover or failure during testing or operation. Before handling of the screw-fixed electrode, let us understand the components and parts of the same. Mark the orientation of electrode with respect to RIP core using wax-based pencil. This reference can be used to align the electrode while refixing the electrode. Using the 4mm Allen key, loosen all head cap screws inserted in the radial holes of the electrode and electrode support by approximately 4 to 5 turns, ensuring the threads are disengaged from the electrode support. Unfasten and separate the electrode from the electrode support by rotating the electrode anti-clockwise. After removing the electrode, please check the tightness of the electrode support. If the electrode support is rotating, moving, or not firm, please tighten the screws of electrode support by Allen key under the guidance with Yash service team. Slide up the electrode through transformer winding lead and then connect and screw the lead in the holes of copper conductor. Fix back the electrode to the electrode support by rotating it clockwise and align the electrode with respect to active part as marked earlier with wax-based pencil. Now fix back and tighten all the 4 head cap screws in radial holes. Ensure the spring washer is securely attached to the head cap screw before refixing. Congratulations, you have unlocked the right way of connecting screw-fixed electrode. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more technical guides. Thank you for watching and stay safe.